Hi everybody, welcome to the Code Studio Puzzle Challenge. This is the Code Studio Artist Puzzle. Your goal is to write the code to draw the image outlined in the run space on the left. Do this by selecting the correct blocks from the toolbox and dragging them into the workspace. Let's start by connecting one to the When Run block. I'm going to select the Move Forward block, and I can change the number of pixels, the length of the line, using the drop-down. How long was it again? You can see the instructions again by looking under the Run button. Here I used the Move Forward block, and I'm going to select 100 pixels. I can delete a block by dragging it into the toolbox or the trash can. Let's put it back. Run the code by pressing Run. Well, that didn't work. I'll press Reset and figure out what's wrong. You can try a puzzle as many times as you like and skip puzzles and come back to them. Just make sure to try your best and don't give up. Let's add another Move Forward. That still didn't work. I can place a block between other blocks. Let's take a turn block and place it in between the Move Forwards. Turn, left, 45 degrees. Let's run it again. Reset, run, awesome. Here's another puzzle. Sometimes you are given starter code to complete. Here I need to add the appropriate lengths and degrees. You may sometimes accidentally trash the starter code. What do you do then? You can press Clear Puzzle to start all over again. I'm going to drag this number block into the different pixel areas and select 100 for pixels, 45 for degrees, and 100 for pixels again. Awesome. Here is the Code Studio bee. I need to move the bee to each flower and get nectar. The first flower is 3 blocks away, so I need 3 move forwards. 1, 2, 3. Then I get nectar. Then another get nectar. Let's run it. Well, that didn't work. I'll place another move forward in between the get nectars and run it again. Yay, it works! You just learned how to use the Code Studio Artist and Bee puzzles. Good luck on the Code Studio Puzzle Challenge.